So we have just finished the assembly of our bearing system that is guiding the rotor radially. This bearing system is composed of two parts: a high-speed bearing that we saw, the active magnetic bearing, and what we call a subcritical bearing that is a mechanical system that's going to hold the rotor at between 0 and a certain speed. So there is a mechanism that is activated by the control. Here I can manually activate it to open the system and release the rotor. Take about 17 seconds. Rotor released.